At Gübelin Jewellery, we celebrate the beauty of the most spectacular gemstones with masterpieces. Masterpieces are one-off designs, they're spectacular, you will only have them once like this, and within our deeply inspired strategy, we look into the inner beauty of each stone, look into the inclusions, look where the stone is coming from, and then this is where the creative process with the designer starts. The design process for a Gübelin masterpiece always starts with the stone. In this case, we are looking into the inner beauty of a 14.25 carat paparacha sapphire from Sri Lanka. And the typical inclusions are fingerprints, waterfalls, dewdrops that we discovered, and within the world of aurora that we developed, we saw this inner beauty of a stone that reminded the designer of a lotus flower in the morning. So the flower with dewdrops in an early morning setting, opening up, led to the idea of rising lotus. And it was a long design process that then was digging deeper into the inclusion of this very specific stone, and finding then a way that we would not just interpret the lotus flower as it is, but creating something more spectacular, more unique, that is unique to Gübelin Jewellery. And I can share here a few elements of the design process where from the inclusion, through the story, through the dewdrops, on the flower, we developed this extraordinary design. This is where the designer works very closely with the Gübelin atelier, with the goldsmiths, with the stone setters, and then they spend hundreds of hours in a dialogue also creating this piece that then at the end is a spectacular manifestation of the beauty of nature and the craftsmanship from the Gübelin atelier.
The challenge when we get a new design is always to transform the drawing into a fantastic three-dimensional piece of jewelry that will inspire our customers. Most of our masterpieces have a high complexity. We often use a combination between 3D technology and traditional craftsmanship. All the parts have to be prepared so they will finally fit together. We have to take care of the weight, of the dimension and the proportion. Everything has to be in harmony. It's a close collaboration between design engineer, goldsmith, gemstone setter and gold polisher. Each working step has to be planned and carefully crafted. The best reaction when we finish a masterpiece is when everybody is surprised and delighted of the beauty of it.